Today's video is going to be very easy and we are using a simple logic to make short forms in Python. So let's start with Jupyter Notebook. New Python file. And take an input from user input is equals to, in a string type, input, write a message to the user, that is enter a phrase or a full form for which you want the acronym or the short form. Text equals to user input dot split. Now the split function is going to split the text in the form of list. Every word of this text is going to be a member of the list and going to store it into this text. And we are going to initialize a variable a with nothing but a space. There is nothing in this a. This is going to be used in the upcoming lines. For I in this text, a is going to be a plus, we are going to concatenate this strings, a plus I index 0. Okay, and now we are going to make it upper because as we know short forms are written in uppercase letters, and going to print a. Okay, now run it and take it for central processing unit, CPU. It is giving in some 3 lines. Okay, this is happening. Central processing unit. Okay, let us see what is happening. Just copy it here, print this text for central processing, enter. Okay, the split function is going to do this work. Now for I in this text, that is for central, we are going to take a plus concatenate with I 0th, that is for 0th index c dot upper and then print a. Okay, basically we are writing this print in the in this loop. So first time the loop is coming c, and the second time the loop has the value cp, third time the loop has cpu. So we have to write it outside the loop. Okay, now it is correct. You can write for some other, that is we are going to do for machine learning, and we should not ML. Even if we are writing the M and L as small letters, it is going to write in capital letters, written in capital, because we have used this upper. We are going to take these first letters in dot uppercase letters. Okay, that is all for today, guys, and like this video if you learn something new, if you find it easy and interesting. Subscribe my channel for some easy and amazing Python tutorials. Thank you so much for watching my video.